guys, and welcome to MegaBite. I'm Freddy, and this is the first MiniBite episode that we're gonna be bringing to you, at least in English. This video is presented by NordVPN. If you want to surf around safe and sound with nobody spying and nobody checking what you do, NordVPN is the one for you. Click the link down below to join NordVPN for some great secure surfing. So just the other day I posted a video on Swedish, mind you, about Huawei's missteps. It's been a week ago or something like that. How they screwed up with the spy network thingy, or the spying on the phones, and how they started to work their way back to America's grace, or US grace. That didn't go too well. Just a few days after, information released about Huawei building a super spy network for North Korea, yet another dictatorship. Okay, so this super spy system is just a mobile network in North Korea, and all the users live in North Korea, but everything that happens on that network is sent back to the bosses around somewhere. So they screwed the pooch again. This network was built in 2008, a long time ago, but still trying to get into America's grace, saying that they didn't do this. This is not a spy phone. We're just doing like everyone else. We're collecting data for research. Well, being outed with a spy network for North Korea is not really the way to go. They're probably not going to go very well with US, and the embargo probably not going to be lifted anytime soon. They're going to be needing to get on their knees again and try to talk to Trump. Trump is a businessman, so who knows? It might go well. In other news, FaceApp. I know it's a bit old now, but FaceApp is used extremely much right now. It's the app where you turn young or old or female or male. It's a pretty nifty app. It's not a new app, it's an old app. It's just been updated so everyone can use it. It had some problems with skin tones before. But the thing with this kind of app is you download the app and you think it alters your photo on your phone, but it doesn't. It sends every picture to Russia, where the app is coming from, and then processed and sent back to you altered. I mean, that's kind of fine, right? Nobody have ever done anything stupid. Nobody's using their power for bad, although not everyone is bad. So what's the problem with these kind of apps, or this app at all? Well, they collect data. They collect your face and they can alter it so it looks pretty much like you should. People have done tests to see. I know for one, Leonardo DiCaprio, they aged him and it's pretty much him right now. So they're kind of spot on, in some cases at least. So that's kind of scary. I mean, today it's not a problem. In 10, 15 years, 5 even maybe. We have a huge issue with deepfake right now. Celebrities getting into porn that aren't into porn, putting faces on other people. Okay, porn, no big deal. Sucks to be you, Gwyneth Paltrow, if you're gonna get drilled from the behind. But in the long run, this could really start some real problem with deepfake expanding and getting better, and calculating how you're gonna get to look older, and switching faces on you with your friend, making it look seamlessly. That's going to become a problem later down the road when they can alter Putin or Trump's or Lian Li, whatever he's called in North Korea, face, and actually start a riot or a war. Who knows? It can get really messy. That's where I'm a bit worried about. These apps are not bad. The creator might not be bad. I don't know. I don't know him. But if someone is really eager to get most people faces in the entire world, give it 5-10 years, that database is gonna be humongous. And on other news, moon landing is gonna happen. Or, well, yeah, gonna happen. It kind of did happen, but 50 years ago, and a week to Neil Armstrong landed on the moon. One giant step for mankind, one small step for me. It was really big at the time. Going out to space using computers with the technology less advanced than your phone. They managed to go to the moon with shit crappier than your phone. But at least it didn't break when they dropped it, I guess. The 20th of July 1969, Neil Armstrong landed on the moon. So that's gonna be it for this mini bite. This is the first one in English. Hope you like it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment down below. What do you think about moon landing? So this program was presented by NordVPN. Click the link down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.